An important note for general maintenance: the dispenser should always have at least a few inches of clearance at the top, and no objects should ever be placed over the top rear vent. As needed or at the end of each serving shift, remove the drip tray to clean, rinse, and replace. Wipe the splash zone as needed with a warm cloth. If the dispenser button begins to stick at any point, the following steps can be taken to resolve this issue. First, turn off the dispenser switch, apply a small amount of WD-40 onto a dry rag, and wipe over the dispenser button area, pressing the button in and out several times. Turn the dispenser switch back to the on position. Weekly maintenance is normally performed during a product change once every week. Use your yogurt tube cap to cover the end of the yogurt tube before removing to prevent leakage as shown. Remove the yogurt from the dispenser and place it into a refrigerator or cooler. Leave the dispenser door open for approximately 30 minutes, or enough time to allow the ice to melt off of the inside refrigerated cavity walls. With a warm cloth, wipe the inside refrigerated cavity walls down to remove any moisture, condensation, or ice. Close the dispenser door and turn the dispenser back on. Allow the dispenser to cool down to 40 degrees, then reload with yogurt. Performing daily and weekly cleaning maintenance will maximize the longevity of your dispenser and reduce potential service calls. With any questions or concerns, please call 833-727-3248 or 833-Parfait.